Want to start making money from home with a legitimate platform that offers flexible, remote job opportunities? Whether you're a freelancer, stay-at-home parent, or just looking for a new career path, FlexJobs and inboxdollars could be the perfect solution for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to use FlexJobs and inboxdollars to land remote jobs and start earning money. Let's dive in. First, we talk about FlexJobs. What is FlexJobs and why do we use it to make money? FlexJobs is a job board designed specifically for remote, flexible, freelance, and part-time jobs. It's different from many job platforms because it vets the companies and job listings, ensuring that the opportunities are legitimate and scam-free. FlexJobs covers over 50 career categories, including writing, customer service, data entry, teaching, and tech-related roles. Why use FlexJobs? Access to remote and flexible work opportunities across various industries. Verified, scam-free jobs. Perfect for freelancers, stay-at-home parents, or anyone looking for part-time or full-time remote work. Jobs range from entry-level to executive positions. High-quality support from the platform, including career coaching and job search tips. Now I'm going to show you how to use FlexJobs to find remote work and start earning money. There is no difficult things to start earning, just follow the steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Signing up. The first step is signing up on FlexJobs. Head to their website and create an account. FlexJobs is a paid platform, but it offers plans ranging from weekly to yearly, with a 7-day money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied. Once signed up, you'll have access to thousands of remote jobs that have been pre-vetted for legitimacy. Step 2. Completing your profile. Once you're signed up, it's important to fill out your profile completely. Add your skills, work experience, and job preferences. If you've worked remotely before, be sure to highlight that. A complete and detailed profile will help match you with the best job listings. Step 3. Browsing job listings. Now, you can browse jobs based on your expertise. FlexJobs offers positions in customer service, writing, design, tech, and more. Use the filters to narrow down the options by category, salary, and other preferences. Step 4. Applying for jobs. Once you find a job that interests you, applying is simple. Tailor your resume and cover letter to each job to increase your chances of getting hired. FlexJobs connects you directly to the employer, so you'll be handling all communication and payments with them. Step 5. Getting paid. After getting hired, you'll perform the work remotely, following the agreed terms with the employer. You'll get paid directly based on the contract you've signed. FlexJobs is a great platform for finding legitimate remote work. It's secure, easy to use, and full of opportunities for people looking to earn money from home. Ready to get started? Click the link in the description below to sign up for FlexJobs today. Now let's talk about inboxdollars. What is inboxdollars and how much can you earn? Inboxdollars is a popular platform that allows users to earn money by completing simple tasks online. These tasks include taking surveys, watching videos, playing games, shopping online, reading promotional emails, and even using specific apps. inboxdollars partners with brands to gather consumer insights, and users are rewarded for their participation. How much can you earn? Earnings vary depending on the tasks. Surveys can pay anywhere from 50 cents to $5, and video watching or games typically offer smaller payouts. It's not a way to get rich, but it can be a fun and simple way to earn extra cash in your spare time. Is it legit? inboxdollars is a legitimate platform with millions of users. They've been in business for over 20 years and have paid out millions in rewards. However, the earnings are typically small, so it's best suited for those looking for side income rather than a full-time opportunity. Now I'll show you how inboxdollars works and how you can start making money today. It's the same step as FlexJobs. Let's get into it. Step 1. Signing up. First things first, sign up on inboxdollars.com. It's completely free to join, and when you register, you'll even get a small bonus just for signing up. Once you've created your account, you can immediately start earning money by completing various tasks. Step 2. Earning money. Now, let's talk about how you actually make money on Inbox Dollars. There are several ways to earn. Take surveys and share your opinion on products and services. Watch short videos and ads. Play games and earn rewards while you enjoy some fun. Shop online and get cash back from select retailers. And even get paid to read promotional emails. Each task rewards you with a small amount of cash, which adds up over time. Step 3. Cashing out. Once you've earned at least $15, you can cash out your balance. Inbox Dollars offers multiple options, including PayPal, check, or gift cards to popular retailers. This makes it super easy to redeem your rewards. Step 4. Tips to maximize earnings. Here are a few tips to maximize your earnings on Inbox Dollars. Try to log in daily to complete surveys and watch videos. Even if it's just for a few minutes, it adds up. Focus on surveys that match your profile for higher payouts. Take advantage of the cashback offers if you're shopping online anyway. So, is Inbox Dollars worth it? If you're looking for a simple and fun way to earn extra cash in your free time, it can definitely be a great option. Remember, it won't replace a full-time job, but it's an easy way to earn money with minimal effort. If you're ready to start earning, check out the link in the description to sign up for Inbox Dollars today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more money-making tips. Thanks for watching.